Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on IMX. And then, at the end of the video, I'm going to share my price predictions for 2025. Before we begin, make sure that you join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where you can find all the trading setups, news, and ideas that I am looking at every single day. And it's totally free, guys. All I am asking in return is to consider supporting the channel by subscribing and click the like button because it helps with the algorithm. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, IMX is currently ranked number 57. The price is at $1.27, 5.53% up for the day, and the market cap is currently sitting at 2.17 billion. This is a gaming project, and I know gaming as a category in crypto has been very competitive, but let me show you why I am really bullish on IMX. First of all, if we take a look at the all-time chart, we see that IMX technically hasn't experienced another bull run before, guys. It was created back in 2021 at the end of the previous bull run. And therefore, technically, it hasn't experienced a full-blown bull run before. These are the tokens that we want to be in. Tokens that haven't experienced another bull run before have tremendous potential upside. And the chart looks amazing, guys. Look at this. We are looking at IMX over USDT daily chart on Binance. The all-time high here on Binance is at $4.67. It occurred back in 2022. As you see, the price action pulled back, and it had been moving inside this accumulation zone for a while. This was the best time to accumulate this token, inside this accumulation box that I have here on the chart. As you see here, end of 2023, beginning of 2024, the price action pumped. It broke out of this accumulation box and ran all the way up to $3.78. But then people took profits again, and the price action pulled back. What basically happened was we saw a nice breakout with a very nice run, and then a pullback where the price action came back and had a retest. And as you see all this time, guys, IMX has been forming this triangle pattern. That's a huge triangle pattern, guys. I really think that whenever the price action breaks above this triangle pattern, we are going to see some kind of an explosive move to the upside or a very strong trend moving upwards. If we zoom in, you see that we have this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. We had a very nice bounce here, another bounce, another bounce, and we are currently testing this. It's very possible that we are going to see another bounce here. And also we have this upper descending yellow trend line that had been acting as resistance. We got rejected here, another rejection. It's very possible that we might see another rejection here in the near future. As long as the price action is moving inside the triangle pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. There are two ways that this might break out. The first one is to the downside. If the price action breaks below this yellow trend line that has been acting as support, expect more downside, guys. If we see this type of scenario playing out, the bearish scenario, I have these targets here for you that you should be watching for a bounce. We have 98 cents, 82 cents, 67 cents, and 47 cents. If the price action pulls back all the way down here again, guys, this is going to be a very nice buying opportunity in my eyes. You see that the last time the price action pulled back all the way down here to these levels around 47 cents and 67 cents was back in 2022 and 2023. Also, if this bearish scenario plays out, you might want to consider shorting IMX. But if you are a beginner, I do not recommend doing this because it's very risky. For now, things are looking really, really good. The price action has been bouncing on this key trend line of support, and we are currently still above it. And as I told you earlier, as long as the price action is moving inside the triangle pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern. So for those of you who want to long IMX, there are two different ways that we can play this out. For those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, you might want to consider accumulate IMX as close as you can to this yellow support trend line. The idea behind this is to front run the breakout above the triangle pattern. This is a higher risk, higher reward play. It's riskier, but it can bring more profits. inside our packet. For those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, you might want to consider letting the price action move inside the triangle pattern, let the price action do its thing, and then whenever it breaks out, you can buy the breakout, scale in on the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside. Buying the breakout is always a safer option. I have a few targets here on the chart that you should be paying attention. The first one is located at $2, and the second one is located at $2.95. You see, if we buy the breakout of this triangle pattern somewhere around here, let's say, the measured move to the second target at $2.95, that's an 81% move. But if we try to trade this in a more aggressive manner, accumulating right above this yellow support trend line, we see that the measured move to this last target becomes even greater, from 81% to 147%. Make sure that you always set up a stop loss, guys. If you buy the bounce on this support yellow trend line, you might want to consider setting up a stop loss somewhere below it, around this area, let's say. If you decide to buy the breakout, let's say that you buy the breakout around here, I would set up the stop loss back inside the triangle, because sometimes the price action likes to break out, but then it comes back in. That's a fake out. You need to be careful of these things. If I zoom out, I have another target here for you that's located at $4.85. That's basically the all-time high that we saw back in 2022. From the current price levels, that's approximately a 305% move. Since technically IMX hasn't experienced another bull run before, I think it's very possible that it might surpass that previous all-time high that we saw back in 2022. Therefore, I have a few targets and price predictions that are way above that previous all-time high. The last Fibonacci level that I have here on the chart is located at $8.38. From the current price levels, that's approximately a 560% move. And the first price prediction, a more conservative price prediction for 2025, is right here at the price target of $9.40. From the current price levels, that's a move of 7.4x. And if IMX reaches this price target, it's going to have a market cap of 16 billion. But because I see that there are many people out there who are really bullish on this project, I wanted to give you an even more bullish price prediction that's almost a 15x move from the current price levels. If IMX pulls a 15x move, it's going to have a market cap of 32 billion approximately and a price of $18. $19. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what is your price prediction for IMX for 2025? I really want to know what you guys think. If you guys have any other altcoins that you want me to talk about, make sure that you drop them in the comments below, and I am going to make a video doing technical analysis and sharing my price prediction on these tokens. That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.